Hi everyone, it's Eljin Tays here. Today I'm sharing a very special story about someone who inspired me to start my YouTube journey, Slogo. What I've learned from Slogo is this. Always chase your dreams no matter how far they seem. Remember, nothing is impossible. Slogo's videos showed me that even the biggest goals can be achieved with passion, hard work, and determination. That's why I started my channel to follow my dream of becoming a great gamer and YouTuber like him. So if you have a dream, don't be afraid to go for it. It might seem far away now, but just like Slogo taught me, nothing is impossible. So this message is for you, Slogo. Hi Slogo, thank you for inspiring me to start my own YouTube channel. Your videos motivate me to keep chasing my dreams and I'm working hard to follow your lead. I hope you achieve more than you ever dreamed of. That's all guys. So always remember that nothing is impossible and never give up on your dreams. Always chase them, no matter how far they are. Always choose to be happy. That's all guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Peace out.